bus driver, keep the change. Bless your children, give them names. Don't trust men who walk with canes. Drink this and you'll grow wings on your feet. Broadway Mary Joan Fontaine, advertiser on a downtown train. Oh, Christmas crier, Buster Kane, he's in love again. Where dock workers' dreams mix with Panther schemes to someday own the rodeo. Tainted women in this division perform for out-of-state kids at the Late Show. Wizard imps and sweat sock pimps, interstellar mongrel nymphs. Oh, Rex said that lady left him limp. Love's like that, sure it is. Oh, Queen of Diamonds, Ace of Spades, newly discovered lovers of the Everglades. They take out a full page ad in the trades to announce their arrival. And Mary Lou, she found out how to cope. She rides to heaven on a gyroscope. The Daily News asks her for the dope. She says, man, the dope's that there's still hope. Senorita Spanish Rose wipes her eyes and blows her nose. Uptown in Harlem, she throws a rose to some lucky young